guys, it's Diva D here, and I just came by for a quick video on how I install my Kinky Glam Twist. These twists are known by so many different names: spring twist, bomb twist, fluffy twist, but I just chose to call them Kinky Glam Twist. So I just came to show you guys how I install my twist and the type of hair I use. I love, love, love these twists. They are so lightweight, fun, and just beautiful. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I install my hair, please stay tuned. Okay, so my hair is individually installed, meaning they're done strand by strand, and I don't know how many I have in, but this is my first time trying this length, and I really, really like it. This hair is so lightweight, like unbelievably light, like feather light. This is the hair right here. And I also retail it on my Etsy boutique, and I will be leaving the link down below so you guys can check it out. So let me just jump right on in. I'm going to take a section of my hair down. And this is the gel that I had used. I just picked this up from my local dollar store. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little comb and I'm going to get in, and I think I'm going to part like that. And I'm going to part the rest of this hair up out of the way. So I'm working with this small piece. And I'm going to apply some gel, just a little bit. Like I applied like that much. I don't know if you guys can see because it's clear, but I applied this much to my hair. And I'm going to take my twist hair. It comes like this, and each bundle comes with 20 little coils like this. And if you stretch it out, it is extremely long. Very, very long. Let's see. And I'm not really even stretching it all the way out, but it's very, very long. But today I'm going to be cutting mine in half. I'm going to just fold it over like this because this is a colored tip on the end, like an ombre type color. So what I'm doing is I just folded it over like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure my ends are even. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it right in half like that. So now I have two equal twist pieces, little coils. So I'm only going to be working with one. And what I'm going to do is take the little coil, stretch it, and that's going to get it real puffy like that, and it's easier to separate. So I'm going to take about this much, like this. Okay, and then I'm going to take it and separate it into two pieces. Try to get it as equal as possible, like this. Now I'm going to cross it over the tops of each other and give it a little twist like this. This is what you should have. Now I'm going to start off with a braid at the top, and I hope you guys could see. And I'm just going to start doing a little tiny braid. Braid enough down till you feel comfortable. And I have my hair in the middle. Separate that. And I'm going to go right over left. It's just like plaiting your hair. If you have natural hair and you're just doing a twist set, that's exactly what it's like. I'm going to dip back into some more gel. It's about that much. And go down the strands of the twist hair. And don't worry about this. It will not be seen. So you're just gonna twist all the way down. And on the ends, you can get a little more gel, just a little bit, to give that defined curl on the ends. I twist all the way down to the ends, to the very tip till I can't twist anymore. And I'm just gonna coil it, twist it with my fingers, and let it go. And that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Leave them for me. But I'm going to take another one out. Get my comb. And I'm going to split this section into two. And I'm going to repeat the same steps. Get a little gel. I'm going to use that other little piece that I have from the first section. I'm still on that one. I'm going to separate some hair. Not that much. And this can determine how short or long you want it. Now, if it's a solid color, you do not have to do this step. You just have to cut it in half and fold it over if you want to do it like that. But since this hair, like I said, was ombre on the end, it wouldn't look right if you did it like that unless you want it to look like that. But I didn't. And I only use like a bag and not even a half for all of this. And I also have, you know, like the highlights in there too. So I will mention all of the colors that I have in the description area. So I'm going to take my two pieces and I try to get them as even as possible. And I'm going to cross them over like that. You can cross it over longer. You can cross it over shorter. It will all just determine how long the twist will be. And once you cross it, you could kind of stretch it out to see how long that's going to be. I'm going to start off with another braid at the top. And the way I start my braids, OMG, like I just messed up, but that's okay. I'm trying to explain to you guys. I kind of separate my hair in half and start the braid almost like a little baby cornrow to secure this hair, because I find it slips when you just use your hair as a third piece. I hope y'all can see. Okay, once I have braided far enough down, think about like that, and my hair is in the middle of that section, I'm going to try to split that little piece in two, just like that. And once again, I'm going to go right over left and start to twist. Like this little scraggly like little piece. I don't know if y'all could see that. Where is it? Yeah. I'm going to trim that with my shears. And I'm just going to cut. Give it a little roll with a little gel that's left over on my fingers. But this is it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll leave everything in the description area. So I hope you have a great and beautiful day, and I'll see you guys later.